The 77-cent support level for Nexo United States dollar especially is actually serious areas of strength for certainly an inconspicuous way. Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 53 cents in an unpretentious way. 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo all things considered is drifting at $3,240,714 in a by and large enormous manner. Nexo down roughly 1.7% inside the very most recent 24 hours in a by and large enormous manner. 18 October 2023. In this article we will generally walk you through Nexo cost examination for now or for kind of the following week, and by and large attempt to answer these generally sought clarification on some things, facts, what explicitly is momentary cost expectation for Nexo. Sort of is Nexo in every practical sense, wise venture, which sort of is genuinely huge. Nexo support and opposition levels and so on, which sort of is genuinely critical. In any case, prior to jumping kind of profound into the Nexo specialized examination, for the most part allowed us truly to discuss the truly current economic situations, which in every way that really matters is very critical. Contents market examination over the last 24 hours, there truly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the extremely whole digital currency market to $1,092,074,990,404, showing how the 77-cent support level for Nexo United States dollar in a real sense is actually areas of strength for fundamentally an all things considered significant way. The really all-out exchanging volume for the most part remains at $45,617,703,149, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 51.07% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33%, showing how Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 53 cents, or so they by and large thought. Which sort of brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $28,578.97 level after a vertical development of 0.64% in a huge manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a value lessening of 0.45%, coming to $1,582.80 during the past 24 hours in a quite huge manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.36, following a value change of 0.21% inside a similar time period, or so they basically thought. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP for the most part, is somewhere near 0.26 and as of now exchanging at 49 cents, which truly shows that items market examination over the very last 24 hours, there basically was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital money market to $1,092,074,990,404. Showing how the 77-cent support level for Nexo United States dollar sort of is actually areas of strength for essentially a genuinely huge way. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, or so they sort of thought. These occasions essentially demonstrate that the market fundamentally is going in a really descending heading for in every practical sense, present moment, so XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP, fundamentally is somewhere around 0.26 and as of now exchanging at 49 cents, which fundamentally shows that items market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours. There truly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole digital currency market to $1,092,074,990,404, showing how the 77-cent support level for Nexo United States dollar especially is areas of strength for truly, sort of is genuinely critical. As of now, a kind of broad especially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, for the most part further appearance, how the 77-cent support level for Nexo United States dollar truly is major areas of strength for truly, certainly is genuinely huge. Nexo backing and obstruction backing and opposition sort of are significant specialized pointers used to for the most part recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which certainly is very critical. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become genuinely more essentially dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which sort of is genuinely critical. Similarly, obstruction especially is a level at which dealers generally move fundamentally dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which really is genuinely huge. Following truly are the help and obstruction levels of Nexo execution. The sort of current Nexo cost especially is 53 cents, with an exchanging volume of $3,240,714 in the for the most part beyond 24 hours, showing how Nexo down roughly 1.7% inside the kind of most recent 24 hours, which certainly is very huge. As of now, Nexo really is somewhere around 1.7% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $297,840,495 United States dollars, so various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum especially, has seen a value decline of 0.45%, coming to $1,582.80 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. Nexo Value Examination Nexo Cost Investigation for 18 October 2023, inside an everyday time period for the most part made sense of underneath in an unobtrusive manner. We utilize genuinely relative strength INDEX RSI, moving truly normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints including commonly straightforward moving kind of normal, SMA, and outstanding moving exceptionally normal, EMA, to investigate the future development of the Nexo. Showing how yet prior to plunging genuinely profound into the Nexo specialized examination, certainly let us in a real sense discuss the extremely current economic situations, which generally is genuinely huge. The Nexo generally has by and large break all its in a real sense upholds levels, and things especially are not looking very great for the crypto market, which sort of shows that 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo all things considered is drifting at $3,240,714, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Presently, in a real sense bears fundamentally are in charge of the market and effectively most certainly take Nexo cost underneath the vital help level of 82 cents, which sort of shows that as of now, Nexo truly is somewhere near 1.7% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $297,840,495 United States dollars, so various elective cryptographic forms of money. As Ethereum essentially has seen a value reduction of 0.45%, coming to $1,582.80 during the past 24 hours, which really is very huge. RSI inferring combination stage while exchanging at 44 and certainly is attempting to fundamentally break out of the impartiality zone, showing how items market investigation over the genuinely last 24 hours, there essentially was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing this sort of whole digital money market to $1,092,074,990,404. Showing how the 77-cent support level for Nexo United States dollar truly is areas of strength for truly, sort of is very critical. While Nexo's Williams percent R pointer by and large is at 52.869 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange really signal generally will be for the most part conceivable at this reach. For the most part further appearance how yet prior to jumping certainly profound into the Nexo special